Juu TV. For more than subscribe to your channel. Like and answer we are my comment. Besa we say me me die. I'm a me more of him. I'm a me mora. Na busi me music system no. I'm a me ma hoden dada. I a program for provider bravo on your passion. Sabre and for a saw your cinema ya the program ne brem. Yani oba ko na baba chuchu boy. I walk up put them for. I saw your sister party ya from round. Also count. E de sabre ya baby sabi ni aba manidi. Na fe. The entire wa no what better much so nani product corner utuma or the soya seno or no so aka ama meme no mienu ya huni ya papa ya ma baba Juu me das Juu me das pa what are the ya nim ya tro nationwide medical insurance enkwa ade na enkwa cheche mo ma shofo enhu adekura fra na enkwa Juu. Okay, I don't follow me teach you more Juu TV nie. Sure atade se me na efe pa. You say enkwa, we enye wo enkwa. Na adofo fo a ye wo eja mu Ghana. Yeti amanano aproche ha say no. Kapra se bibi nie na ebia mu hu fo mo. Omo po modin sem ni kika ho nti no. So mu pray se mu hu enfo mo a. Intempara ne ya pesca ne asade awomo na de ntia enkwampa ne se Ghana phobia wo abrochire eya adepa ana aba dedi de mapa ana abramo enkwa aye nationwide medical insurance awo Ghana ayedi mu pa na enkwa no aye Ghana fo amu abrochire mu de nie eti wo be wo fo ene udofo fo mu Ghana. So amu yario se osomu ye ai surgery o se amu eye care o se diagnosis center bibia o be bia no efa hospital mu bia no enko ye be amamu na so penchetre mu a ye de be jay number ama Juu and to my friend ye number your flights wa ha beba o number no ba bo beba pesa me bisa obi bi ansa Ghana for ate dia wo kan nyina ba your medical insurance say your life insurance wo ho mo dia no medical insurance yes medical insurance no Ghana for e wa protect and I was say young crop I think Ghana you are protect Ghana you say insurance no Emma ya dofofo ene ye ma me mo omo Ghana enti no policy we no anya abrotefo na so e promo no ye wo NHS ye wo ne be pre cover ye enti no we ye policy a wo so ye mo dofofo obi ti akwo nipa mu hia nipa udomo waja mu ofie a wa ba amanane ha wo preska enti no omo akomodi emu hia o enti na wo say we ye policy we e ma mo Juu Ebenya sa wasagana ni babia Ebenya sa wasagana ni babia yeye Upa ufo Ghana I was all making sure so obey biama na F1 net sign na obetu ya sign na moya no F1 ni dia fufufu na F1 no ye wo ahudi biensa obetu no the whole year and now obetu no ebia half year and maybe every quarter obetu bi ni bonye dey ye wo stages me pray and ni bonye dey enti enu sa no prayer enu be kasa na dia wo obetu su no enu wo akatua enu sika no betua pa number okay yo Juu me that's it. See me number about me nyame also 075 079 075 079 3325. It's besides CCBO 075 079 33225 075 079
33225. See me number no. Who from your Benyame? Name no wedding kika. Me da mase.
Nana will come be say WhatsApp number. Fano so the Ghana number.
Yes, and your WhatsApp number. I obenya also. WhatsApp number na +44 77 51 74 802. And the WhatsApp number I UK number. And it's our Ghana number. I +233 030 222 6892. Besides this video, I wear WhatsApp numbers 044 and then +44 77 51 74 802. And I Ghana there +233 030 222 6892. Some numbers we now free Albania also. Any WhatsApp there so now.
There's a sambana Obakacha Ghana for. Can be bicha Ghana for more say obi pese the person chacha mo obi ahu say oh say ni the baby or Ghana na offer or your life insurance ni be mana medical insurance ni be mana obe contact o the person can be for na check Ghana for.
Yeah. Yeah, papa no me ma menum. Enyanum kana for. Asma be what can say. If you need fie. Na Ghana policy e kan wasem aye Ghana need dia. Na I was say yeah policy we am I da wofo a ye cha mu ofie because we been here ya na be frɛ am friends and I be ho bia wo bills etua wo ni ma bi ye am frɛ am pe kuma otimi nyeska e bia etua wo albo etino we policy we a e so this problem we nyina eyi aha bia frɛ so etino e bia adwendin e bia me peska wo hide mom e be ye frɛ so ete ma asundwe ti asundwe ti oso ye policy we ma Ghana for Emma udogo po amwa Ghana metamase kamesha Juu TV for anyina
Abusa for Ghana for Abusa for mo approach Samatio. Ai so wa for e Ghana. Unim sa Ghana ya yare hwemu ne approach no difference wo. Enti ubomodia yes medical health insurance bi. Adema wo for a ebeboa because Ochina be obeti say wo ma be yare, wo papa yare, wo nana yare. Eye easy because why you be dada. Enti komodia say wo be contact omo. Na encheche mu bia nso. Wanya afri omo. Baba, share wonderful.
hey asida di kan e koma Juu TV eni mi no hu fo nyina na bisa sisu say nationwide aba tenasia wo UK ha eni Europe anyina enti say unti yankan ya ene ya ba tenasia ya me hya mo nyina
Yo, na me bisa udi there.
Joel.
Okay, Joel. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, welcome to Juu TV. My name is Anne and I'm going to be your host for today. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed. Some people say Suhail.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
What brought you to this program, Mohammed?
I advertised my shop and then Bin Hill Local Center. I'm selling for the Ghanaian, Nigerian food, and then also I protect the stuff, everything.
Can you tell me more about the products you sell? Like, do you sell rice, plantain,
Yeah.
yam? Can you tell us more about the product?
All right. I'm selling for the yam and then okra, hot pepper, the whole box, turkey wings, fresh turkey, smoked turkey, cow feed, with the pomo, smoked pomo, everything. I do the delivery as well. Also, I'll less price. And then my price is very, very, very cheaper. And then I give it to I like customer. So I like my shop the build up. And then also I'm telling you, so my price is very less price. Just come and see me in my shop. Please can you talk to me?
Do you do Do you like promotion? Do you do like promotion where like you promote your products?
Yeah. Yeah, I do promotion my shop, but my shop is being in local center, so everyone is come to my shop. I'll give it to less price. Everything is nice price.
So what if the person is a Muslim and they want to get halal? What if the person is a Muslim and they want halal products? They come to place together.
It doesn't matter. Everybody is same, you know. So I'll give you the halal meat as well, and then normal meat as well. Everything is fine. Yeah.
You do wholesale, you know, some people might want to do wholesale. You do that.
I do wholesaler, but I do delivery as well, but selling books as well, and then everything is good. Right. Thank you.
If someone wants to get hold of you, what's your location?
Say again?
If someone wants to get hold of you, what's your location?
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You tell them where you are and the location.
My location, 3 Bean Hill Local Center. My postcode MK64LA. Thank you very much.
So is that delivery free or you have to pay money?
Okay.
Is that delivery free or you have to pay money?
Yeah, I do delivery. Minimum £50 delivery. I do whole Milton Keynes.
Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Every day I don't know Adafo mo schedule Juu TV. Said I am make me say we schedule Juu TV. Mama dey subscribe to your channel like na say me say we are my comment. Oh yes sir, e ma me more of him. E ma me mora. Na boost me immune system no. Ama me ma ho den dada. E no aye program for. Abraham onye bi ahwe. Your program na ya no enya agro na edie. Ya de kan mu pa. E na ye ne baba twetwe nkomo. Please, welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you. I'm really, really looking forward to this event, and thank you for having me. And the welcome that I've just had so far is very much welcoming.
I want you to mention your name. I want you to mention your name.
Yep.
And tell people who you are.
Okay. My name is Councillor James Lancaster, and I'm the Deputy Mayor of Milton Keynes for 2024 to 2025.
Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming to the program. Thank you. Thank you. I want you to say something to the people.
I'm very much happy to be here. I'm looking forward to this. Very much so. Very much warm welcome whilst I've been here. And I love the community spirit. Everyone's wearing very good clothing, very colourful clothing. So I'm looking forward to this one very much so. So thank you so much for having me, and let's have a really good night.
Thank you. Okay, I want you to say hello. Greet your workers, your wife, your family. I want you to say hello to everybody you know. Then we wrap.
Well, hello to every single community in Milton Keynes. Hello also to my wife, my family as well. So thank you so much for having me today. I'm really much enjoying it. And again, I'm very much looking to enjoy myself.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm million of Adafo Juu TV. Messi and Empire Ebeja. I was sweet 16. Aye, your party na say. And yes, I'm good too. Say you were Ohene Ankasa. Ohene Ankasa. Ohene Nana one. Ankasa. I will program ya say. Ain't you baby son and di na fe. Nana my grandson. Aye. Nana. Ya ma kwa baba Juu TV. Nana Bodi na kabibi chama tekezo.
Nana ora kojo adomnie. Awon to kese konkoro. Ora kojo adomnie.
Wow, Nana oya mini abemo. Ente na me ne stress kakaka. Nana. Na oba ezo ho ya party this.
My idea, mi say mi ha ma nya pa. Tumta enya be kwaso. Eba kwaso aba. Ka bia to say, we ba nti nya. Somebody made him young. I go here.
Yo, Nana, ya da send your child for child for.
It's come out of India, more best in case. I'm more London. There will be another quarter of the
Yo, any ya da Nana say. Say on the animonyam about better your program night. Nana, any ya beka sabium. Ya da say. Ebusian for. Yegusua. Juu TV, and I Ogusua Eshano. Aye, Sabre, ya don't for Papa be Abahase. I want any hoka for. I ain't here was say. You show me interview a crabby. Mammy, welcome to Juu TV. And Daddy, welcome to Juu TV. Please, can you mention your name? And Daddy also, please. When you finish, give it to Daddy. Mention your name.
My name is Queen Lina Short Jose. I am the queen of all the Yorubas in Dominica, Ghana.
I'm Dr. Roya Inez. Jose.
Can you please greet? We want you to greet your family and friends and lovers.
We would like to say hello and to all our families in Ghana. It's well, we're in the UK at the moment. We are here for the Sweet 16 annual party, and we're hoping that it'll be a successful one. And we're here to do donations to support charities in Ghana. So we hope everything goes well, and we love you all.